Welcome back to the channel, my good people. You don't know, you don't know, you don't know. And as you can see, you look on the screen, you see Cartel. You don't know, we now leave this one alone until the world boss is free. Yes, sir, yes, sir. If you've been following the case, you don't know him just finished with the private counsel in England and his appeal. Hopefully, them can free the man. But them say it's probably going to take around 2 to 3 to 4 months. Hopefully it'll be quicker than that. You see me? Because we definitely want the world boss for you out. For sure, for sure, for sure. So, big up everybody that's been following the world boss. Monarch, myself, been following the world boss from borderline to the Gaza. You see me? Day one, before Cartel even bust. Me been a follow Cartel cause me been have a sound and me from Waterford. You see me? Me from the Gaza. So, it ain't like me don't know where I go on. You see me? And my parents, everybody still there the Gaza. You see me? So we don't know where I go on. So we've been following Cartel case from day one. And we just know them just finished in appeal over England, the UK. So if everybody was following that, all of the Gaza nation them, if you know was following that case, it looked good for we. You see me? The judges them was getting it deep in the DPP ass. You see me? Them want to know why or not allow the tampered juror to go on. You know what I'm saying? You can't have a fair trial if you have a bad apple in the juror. And that bad apple tampered the rest of the jurors. You see me? So that was them first mistake. A matter of fact, that was one of their mistakes because they make a lot of mistake in this case. You know what I'm saying? Even acquiring the evidence, like the phone evidence and stuff, them went to the phone company and illegally brought my man human rights, privacy rights. You see me? You can't acquire people phone records like that. You have to go through a system. You feel me? To get those records and stuff like that. So they did everything illegal in Vybz Kartel case. So even if the man did commit the crime, you can't know because they did everything so messed up where it looked like a frame them a try to frame the man. You see me? You have a tampered jury. You can't go court with a tampered jury, rude boy. Because once all that tampered shit come round and prison the man, when the man go appeal and it reach to the private counsel in England, all them people that know if they do is follow the laws. Them now go coincide with the bad judgment where uno make for them job upon the line. You see me? And the only thing them people that know if they do is follow the law. So if uno do anything, criminalize and prison the man, all of that shit are gonna get overturned. Not no new trial or none of that. No, conviction overturned. You see me? And all along, the government system been against Vybz Kartel because the man not done with the bullshit where uno a keep up. So uno find some type of way to try to get to the man. You see me? People, them label this man as a killer. You see me? All this music this man a put out, how can this man find time for kill all these people and still a put out so much music? It's impossible. You see me? Plus the man have a record label. The man have whole heap a lot more business where the man a run. Him street rum, him condom, and a lot more stuff. The man into them cake soap and all bunch of stuff. Plus the man is a father. And only claims that the man responsible for so much murders. Only spread a bad image upon the man name before the man even get to court. So how the man for have a fair trial? Where's all these hundreds of bodies what only claims that the man get rid of? Come on, folks. On can't do them thing that on spread false information upon the man name and people them that don't know the man believe. All these uptown people where Avid said them are good, decent people, them probably believe said the man is this so-called killer, which the man is not. A matter of fact, let me make on the ear that little thing here real quick.
I think it's a black people, you know what I mean? And we as black people, we need to look into ourselves and see that we are the ones that are killing each other. You know what I mean? And we need to just love the music, listen to the music. If he's a thug, listen to thug music. But at the end of the day, just keep it real, you know what I mean? Because every man want to live them life as the Sean Sam said. You know what I mean? No man wants to go to prison or die. You know what I mean? Every man want to live to see them kids grow and see what them can become. So you them know, say a teacher talk, let's stay away from crime and violence. It makes no sense.
No, you hear no.
You hear that? This is the same man, you know, what them claim say is this massacre killer. And you hear all the man talk with sense. The man says stay away from crime and killing. It makes no sense. Every parents want to see them kids grow up and be somebody. This is the same man with them try to label as a killer, you know. The same man who's a father and a husband and a baby father, a man that's paying tax, that's a businessman that hire a lot of people. The government is just against this man because this man is powerful and is becoming so powerful where himself can overturn them. So they might try fight the man in every way, shape and form to try to get rid of the man. And that me see. You see me? Because how can only try to get rid of the man upon some tampered fake-ish? You have to make sure so the thing real and legit. You see me? If one bad apple I go spoil the whole bunch, you have to scrap the whole entire thing and make sure say all of the juror them have a clean mind. Nobody now think one way before the trial start. And the only way the man can get a fair trial. And to me, there's no more retrial. It's gone, it take too long, you know, for retrial. No more retrial can't go on, daddy. The whole world know about this Vybz Kartel case. So where you gonna find a juror that can give the man a fair trial? That's impossible. You see me? These people, like the prosecution, the police them, and the people them who are try get rid of Vybz Kartel. Cause I get them I try get rid of him, you know. Because too much people love this man. You see me? Too much people love this man. And you have a lot of haters. Even in a film own line of work. You have people in a film own line of work hating. Cause them not as great as him. So them themselves will do anything in a for them power to try to bring down the man. You see me? Alright, let's talk about Vybz Kartel case a little bit. Let's talk about when them first lock up the man. Zine? This old bad them a try to get rid of the man. Make sure, remember say, when them first lock up the man, you know, them never lock up the man for no murder, you know. Them never lock up the man for no murder. Them not have it say the man kill nobody. But them just want to lock him up and frame him with something. Check this out. When them first raid Vybz Kartel hotel room, you know, in a what, 2011? Nothing them not find, you know, dog. And trust me, when them a raid the man thing, them feel so them that go run up in the man thing and find guns and all of them type of things there. Cause the man always a sing about guns and him not left it and all of them things and about him a bad man. And them feel that them a go run up on the man and find illegal firearm where them can lock up the man with, where that's a mandatory at least 3 years. And that them would feel. But when them run up on the man never have no weapon, dog. The man not plan to kill nobody. You see me? When them run up on the man, all the man around the man is some of them brethren them, and the man have him weed where him a smoke. And at that time, weed was illegal. So that was the only thing them could have bring the man in pan, was a little minor weed case. Smoking weed, you know. Remind you, weed legal now at Jamaica, you know. So it was not a big deal. You see me? That's the only thing them would have upon the man, is the little weed where the money that smokes. So them bring him in for that. See? And them have him in there for about 3 days. Upon the weed thing. You have a big superstar worldwide upon a misdemeanor weed case in a jail for 3 days. Why? That's against the man human rights. You see me? There's no way you can have a man lock up on misdemeanor weed charge as big as this man for over 3 days. Then when una for release the man, una just come up with any type of murder that was out there where you feel like you can associate the man with and just throw it upon him. Seeing? And why only never let go the rest of man them where only lock up at that time? When only lock up the man for weed and all of them thing there. Only no let go nobody, you know. Only hold on upon all of the man them where only arrest at the hotel room for the little misdemeanor weed. Have the man for 3 days. Find out say only have to release the man because only not have nothing more. So only come up with some type of scheme and say, F it, we are going to just charge him for a murder. Let him go through this case. And the man fight the case. Yo, me I tell you, Jaja, Kartel is a strong, tough, hard-minded youth in a dog. A whole heap of man with a crumble under them a pressure, you know. At over 13 years now, the man lock up in a dog and can't see no freedom, you know. Wanna lock up the man for weed. That's what. Remind you, when them raid the man hotel room, you know, them not raid the man hotel room for no murder, you know. Them not know nothing about no murder. Them raid the man hotel room, think say they must go and find weapons, guns and them thing because them have it say that man you not left him gun. The amount of gun and them thing that we sing about, him not left it. Weed and guns. So most likely when we run in upon him, we are gonna find guns and we are gonna find weed. That alone about 3 years mandatory. So we are gonna get him off of the street. And while him dead, then we can cook up more things. You see me? So when them run up, them not find no guns. So them was very disappointed. You see me? Very, very disappointed. But them find weed. They don't know man for burn them thing. That's their medicine. For calm down the nerve system. You see me? So them find weed. So them bring him in for that. Have the man in there for 3 days. Pound weed. Misdemeanor. When a time for to release the man, on charge him for a murder case. Not the murder with the man in there for now, you know, my people. What Vybz Kartel is in there for, no, that's not the first murder charge that they charge him for. They were just trying to get him. You see me? I have to switch up the speed so everybody could understand what I'm trying to say. The first time they lock up Vybz Kartel and charge him with murder, it was for a different murder. First they charge him for weed. They just want to lock him up. First they charge him for weed. Then after having him for 3 days on a misdemeanor weed for a superstar entertainer, which that's against his human rights. When on the find out say y'all have to release him, then y'all just come up with some murder that somebody had died, so y'all charge him for that. So the man have to fight that murder case. After the man beat that murder case, you know, only still not release the man, you know. Only still hold on upon the man and say, yo, we can't release that brother, yeah. And what wanna do? Only charge the man for your next murder. And nobody not say that man is dead, you know. This is now when them charge him for lizard murder. And bro, and the like say them find lizard body, you know. The man not dead. Them just decide say them are gonna charge Vybz Kartel for lizard murder. But you know what go on? I guess cause me hear say Vybz Kartel with a have a relationship with some female where I guess the boss work at Digicel, where I guess our husband work at Digicel or something of that nature. Either she work at Digicel or our husband work at Digicel. Some woman with, and me don't know if Vybz Kartel and she have some type of beef now deal again, or the husband find out and want get Vybz Kartel. And with him though, all of the little text message them and little conversation them where they on them phone, them run bring that to the police them. You see me? Like for instance, like Vybz Kartel I say, yo, you know me lend the boy the 2 shoes, you know, which they must say a weapon. And the boy no bring back my shoes. I did the boy, if the boy didn't bring back my shoes, I go kill the boy, then I go show the boy, then, you know. And them take them message there and bring it, go get to the police. Unlawfully. You see me? Unlawfully. You can't do that. You see me? Not only that, Vybz Kartel phone was in at the evidence room. Police go in there, take out the man phone and use the man phone. Make all types of calls. You don't know what else them do with the man phone. Cause after Vybz Kartel been convicted and all that, Isaac Buchanan, Vybz Kartel, no lawyer, have the phone tested by an independent, professional people who know about metadata and all of those type of things with phone. Them come down to Jamaica and test the phone. Remind you, the prosecution system of them have the phone, you know. So for the man to test the phone, he must have got through them. So everybody was there when the man test the phone. Them find out that the phone was tampered with. Enough of them message that don't line up with what the prosecution was saying. So they place some of those stuff there. So you tell me now, if you have all this evidence about Vybz Kartel, if the evidence was so overwhelming, why you got through so much trouble for still tampered with the man phone? If you have all this evidence, there's no need for plant more evidence. No need for that. Just use the evidence them wanna have. Why you not go try for plant more evidence? Once you not try for plant more evidence, that means something is fishy. It's like the man never commit what the owner claims that the man do. If you not have enough evidence for send this man away for 30 years, you not have to leave it alone. First of all, you can't try prison a man because what the man say. And not everything what somebody say, him do. A man can't say, yo, anywhere, anytime I run in a such and such, I kill me, I go kill that. Right? And then when him see such and such, him not kill the person. I just mouth talk. When people are talk and I send warning out there, them send the most vicious warning. That not necessarily means that they gonna do those things. Sometimes I just scare them, I try scare somebody. So if the man upon him phone, which it can be cartel or it can be one of the messages them run fabricated. If the man upon him phone and say, yo, if that boy don't bring back my shoes now, kill me, I go kill that boy there, you know. That not mean say the man kill the man. Enough thing me say what me no mean. Enough thing me say what me say me I go do, me no do. Enough thing me say when me mad. And after me smoke a spliff, me think different. You see me? So if you not have the proper evidence, catch me in the act, have eyewitness, as a video me. You not have to give me a fair trial. You not really have no strong evidence. Cause everything you not have is hearsay. When you hear me I say. You not have no visual evidence. See me I kill nobody. You see me? So, you have to give somebody a fair trial. And you can't plant things in the juror them head. And make them already one side minded. One, you know what I'm saying? Thinking one way already. I know so things work, dog. You see me? No, things don't work like that. Them just want to get rid of cartel because Jamaican people love cartel. Kartel have more people shouting his name than what the system have shouting for them. So them never like that. So that's why them try to get rid of Kartel. If Kartel say vote PNP, a PNP the people them go vote. If Kartel say vote GLP, a GLP the people them go vote. If Kartel say yo, me go run as an independent leader, a Kartel a go win. So the system never like that. Kartel have too much power. So them have to get rid of him. You see me? That's what I see. That's what I see, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You see me? So I want to hear from you. I want to hear in the comment what you think about this situation. Most of the video them when I see is a whole bunch of people a cheer for the world boss. Free world boss. Free world boss. The government see them things there. Them see those things. You see me? They see all those things. But no matter what them do, man, them can't keep a good man down. What is for Caesar is for Caesar. You see me? Good over evil every time. Enough people believe say Kartel commit all these crimes, you know. You see me? But with all of the fabricated evidence where them throw out there to the people them and try to brainwash the people them, a lot of people believe say him do it. Until you can get a real fair trial, you don't know. And that's the same thing the judges them say over the private counsel. You don't know. If the trial is not fair, you don't know what the jury them would have come up with their verdict. You see me? So you have to have a fair trial. But it's too late now for a fair trial. But since the trial never fair in the first place, we have to overturn this. You see me? So that's all me have to say now, ladies and gentlemen. That's all me have to say. More to the comment down below. Let me know what you think. And we out.